Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for ways to live a healthier, more balanced life, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm sharing 5 healthy life hacks that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine to feel better, get stronger, and live longer. These tips are simple, effective, and will totally change the way you approach health. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with hack number 1. Drinking water with lemon every morning. This is one of the easiest, most refreshing things you can do for your body. After you wake up, squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a glass of warm water. Not only does this hydrate you, but it also helps with digestion, boosts your immune system, and gives your skin that healthy glow. Plus, lemon water helps kickstart your metabolism and flush out toxins, setting a positive tone for the rest of your day. Hack number 2. The 10-minute morning stretch. We all know how great it feels to stretch, but most of us skip it in the morning. Here's the secret. Spend just 10 minutes in the morning stretching your body. It helps improve flexibility, increase blood flow, and reduces muscle stiffness. Whether it's a quick yoga flow or simple stretches like reaching for your toes or twisting your torso, it will help you feel awake, energized, and ready to tackle the day. This little habit will also help reduce stress and anxiety. Plus, it sets a calm and productive mindset for the entire day. Hack number 3. Meal prep for healthy eating. If you're tired of grabbing unhealthy snacks or fast food, meal prepping is a game changer. Spend an hour or 2 each week preparing healthy meals and snacks, whether it's chopping veggies, cooking grains, or making healthy smoothies in advance. Having healthy options ready to go throughout the week will keep you on track and save you time. By prepping your meals, you're less likely to make unhealthy choices on the fly. Plus, you'll save money and energy throughout the week. It's a win-win. Hack number 4. Take a 20-minute daily walk. Exercise doesn't always mean hitting the gym for hours. One of the easiest and healthiest things you can do for your body is going for a brisk walk every day. Whether it's around your neighborhood, in a park, or even on a treadmill, just get moving for 20 minutes. Walking helps improve cardiovascular health, boosts your mood, and clears your mind. Walking is low impact, and it's an amazing way to incorporate movement into your day, especially if you're pressed for time. And trust me, it feels great. Hack number 5. Sleep like a pro. A good night's sleep is essential for your health, but many of us don't prioritize it enough. Make it a point to get 7-9 hours of sleep every night. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time each day to regulate your body's internal clock. To improve your sleep quality, avoid screens at least an hour before bed, and create a calming nighttime routine, like reading a book or meditating before you sleep. Sleep is when your body heals and recharges, so treat it like the important health habit that it is. When you sleep well, your mind and body function better the next day. So there you have it, 5 simple yet powerful healthy life hacks that can make a huge difference in how you feel every day. If you start using just one of these today, you'll notice improvements in no time. Let me know which hack you're going to try first in the comments below. And if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell so you never miss another life-changing hack. Thanks for watching, and here's to living your healthiest life.